Welcome to Tech World channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to block number or contacts in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. Now here you can see a unknown number. If you want to block this number, just touch and hold it. And here you can see block or report spam option. Then just tap on block option. Then uncheck report call as spam option. Then tap on block. And that's it. You can see the number has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a icon. That means the number is blocked now. Also, if you want to block a contact, just tap on contacts and then choose any contact that you want to block. If you want to block this contact, just tap here. Then tap on this settings option. Now from here, scroll all the way down. And at the bottom, you can see block numbers option. Then just tap here. Then uncheck this option. Then tap on block again to confirm it. And it's done. Now the contact has been blocked successfully. Now if you want to unblock this number or contacts, just open up your phone app again. Then tap on recents. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. After that, go to block numbers. And that's it. On the block numbers option, you can find your all the block number or contacts. If you want to unblock this number or contacts, just tap on this cross icon. Then tap on unblock. And it's done. Just tap here again and then tap on unblock and it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block number or contacts in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.